kids, in this video, we'll show you what to expect in your first Brickfest live event. Are you ready? I can't hear you. Here we go! After your parents purchase the tickets, don't forget to print them. Unless you have mobile access. If you get this VIP pass, you get this yellow badge right here, along with a VIP badge and some cool stuff. Here we have the Houston Brick Club display. They have a Wild West town, cars, planes, ships, buildings, and my favorite, trains. They also have a Lego tap vendor. You can get a Lego tap, just like this one right here. Wow! Magnificent! The best thing about this tap right here is you can customize it. Woohoo! Booyah! Gone, baby! Here we have the glow zone. As you can see, everything is glowing thanks to this light. Do you know what it is? It's what you call UV light. The next display is the architecture zone, where you can find white bricks to make buildings, bridges, and pets. This one right here is a giant floor puzzle. Oh yeah! You have a chance to build a piece of this giant puzzle on the floor. Next we have the Brickfest Live Derby. Here you can build your own race cars and go up against other racers. Let's go! Next up, it's the Mosaics section. You can find masterpieces like this: unicorns, a stitch, smiley face, a girl, a sword, a map of Texas, and a Mario mushroom. Next we have the graffiti wall, where you can leave your name. They even have a gaming arena. Amazing! On this side of the wall, you can find art pieces made by a master Lego builder. Next, we have the Blue Brick Pit, where you can build the tallest tower you can make. They also have a 9-hole mini golf course. It's awesome! Here we have the 501st Legion booth. They have the coolest blaster cannon ever. We had a chance to take pictures with a TIE pilot, a stormtrooper, Darth Vader, and a Lego Jedi! That's it, kids! See you next time! Hi, kids! If you like this video, make sure to press the like and subscribe button. And press the bell to be notified for new videos on my channel. See you next time!